Take control of your Mac with advanced customization for gestures, shortcuts, windows, and input devices. In this video, you'll learn how to download and install BetterTouchTool for Mac and configure it to create a more personalized workflow. BetterTouchTool lets you customize trackpad gestures, mouse actions, keyboard shortcuts, touch bar controls on supported Macs, window snapping, automation triggers, and custom actions. You can build shortcuts for repetitive tasks, assign gestures to specific applications, manage windows more efficiently, and create custom controls that match the way you work. This tutorial covers the complete download, installation, permissions, and initial setup process from start to finish. We'll also show you how to fix common issues such as gestures not working, accessibility permission errors, shortcuts failing, mouse or trackpad actions not triggering, automation problems, window snapping issues, application-specific settings not applying, BetterTouchTool.